All right, family, welcome to PJ Guitar. Have I got a lesson for you today? We got a mixture between quartet and traditional gospel where they come together. Some say they are one and the same, but we got a good little smash together with a classic double, triple platinum diamond all-American hit right here. You heard it right here. I ain't seen no lessons on YouTube, so I know y'all needed this, all right? Somebody requested it. It's been a long time ago, but I'm trying to catch up with some things, okay? All right, we got who we got here? We got the Williams brothers, right? Doug and Melvin. And then we got the man on here. Joe Ligon. God. Woo, that joker, no, that joker there can squall, boy. He can squall. I love the energy. I love the energy. Listen, today's lesson, all right, we're going to cover something that's very, I say common, but something you got to know. It's essential, especially when you're dealing with gospel. I'm talking about a 36251. Don't let numbers scare you. You need to know that number system. It's only going to help you. It ain't here to hurt you, okay? Look, stay tuned. I'm going to teach you the chords. I'm going to teach you the notes. We'll break it down, make it simple so our beginners can keep up. And then we're going to play along at the end, all right? And apply what we learned, okay? Thank y'all for sitting with me. This PJ Guitar. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Join me in the comments. If this is your first time being here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I want to give you a warm welcome, all right? Today's lesson, man, we got I'm Still Alive. Oh, I thank the Lord, I'm still alive. Ooh, ooh. So, the song starts off with the 36251. We're going to be in the key of G sharp, A flat, what you want to call it. Most folks probably say A flat, right? We don't be calling it G sharp. We say A flat. We got A flat now because, like I said, we kind of in between traditional gospel and quartet. Sometimes you're gonna hear this one and it's gonna be minor. All right, so we got that's our one. I'm gonna put a lesson up here on A flat that's gonna help us out, okay? So now the 36251 in this particular song, just for the sake of being basic, okay, I want to do it in dominant sevens, all dominant sevens. But hold on, okay. So and it's the intro. We get the intro. Listen, the harder part is the intro or the turnaround, okay. The I thank the Lord, I'm still alive. That's the hardest part. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through that, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be a breeze. You're gonna start hearing that move that. Dun, 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 dun. You're gonna start hearing that in music, and you're gonna be like, that's a 3-6, that's a 2-5-1. Oh, that 2-5-1 especially. So let's just start with the intro. I want to break it down with just one note, okay? One noters first, and then for those who are a little advanced, we'll get it in the chords, okay? So the first one is right here. Let's call this what is it? What is that? That's a C. That's an F. So we got. All right. That's our 36251. So we got the C. That's our 3. 6. Which is a F. B flat. E flat. 1. Which is a flat. Okay. So. All right, so let's get this down. This is a dominant shape. It's a G, A flat, dominant 7. I'm gonna give you the chords that you're gonna need, okay? We're gonna play a uh, C sharp dominant 7 or a D flat dominant 7. Then we're gonna play E flat dominant 7. We're also gonna play this C dominant 7, F dominant 7, E flat dominant 7. Oh, I already called that one, but that's the E flat dominant 7. And every now and then we're gonna bounce off of this F sharp. We might even come to the F. Yeah. All right. Boy, y'all showing out. Y'all showing out. All right, I might give you a secret move. There's a thing they can borrow. We can borrow from the minor third. A lot of folks ain't teaching that. But I'm telling you, it's wonderful. You can borrow from the minor third. If you know what I'm talking about, hop in the comments. I don't want to leave you. Here we go. So, the intro with the chords will be, yep. And then you can listen. This whole time we gonna be nasty with this A flat minor. Woo! Pues at the end of the song, it's just gonna drive back and forth between that. One of the verses when Joe come in, we'll have it's gonna change. It's gonna go with the fourth verse. I hadn't been there, friends and loved ones gone on before me. You know it caused my heart bleed. All right, y'all ready to play? I think y'all ready to play along. Let's get with it. Let's get with it. You got the chords? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get into it. Woo. Here we go. Again. That's that 4. 5. Here we go. That's the part I'm talking about. Walk it. We on the vent. Let's go. Hold on, try stuff. I'm trying. Wait, what we try? What we try? Let's see. Yeah. That's a D. I mean a C sharp 7. To our that's a G7 or G minor. Excuse me, A flat or G sharp. A flat minor. A flat dominant 7. And we can. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was playing around. Yeah. So, man, it's just turning it back around. Oh man, listen. You gotta know that. What if we? You can like. Sometimes you might hear it like this. See, you see how jazzy that is? It's very a very musical move. It's a very musical move. Oh, you play it if you're doing this. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go dominant 7 right there. They kind of clash. So look. That's our 5. Now I was talking about borrowing from the minor third. Okay, now this don't work. And When you get out of there. When you get out of there. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm on daddy duty. No. Sit down on the couch, baby. Mommy's sleeping. Sit down on the couch, baby. Come sit down. Please. I'll give you a snack. Sit down. I don't know. It was snacks at work, boy. It was snacks at work. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. What was I doing? What was I? Oh, borrowing from the minor third. What that means? I'm talking about minor third. Okay, my third would be what? A C. But I want to borrow from this. When I say I'm gonna borrow, I'm gonna take the 3-6-2-5 from my minor third. So B. And I'm gonna do the but I'm gonna keep my one here. So I did minors then, but let's do dominant 7. So we got all right. So all right. Yeah, let's see. Oh, excuse me. 3-6 of B major. 3, 6, 2, 5. And that'll work. That'll work in a lot of music. But you want to keep the one. Keep whatever key you actually in as the one. We're just borrowing from the minor third. All right. We're not changing the key to the minor third. We're just borrowing turnarounds, transitions from minor third. Oh, I'm trying to tell you that will turn on some lights for you. It turn on some lights for you because it's gonna give you a greater variety. So, what time is it? What time we got on here? Because I want to help somebody. Okay, somebody need this right now. Somebody need this. If you got what you need already, and I'm above your head, or this is beneath you, then you do what you got to do. Thank you for being here. I love you. Okay, but look, we got my little one over there. Okay, we got. Let's say we gonna stay in the key of A flat. Okay, so we still gonna be barred. So let me think of a progression. Let's do a 4, 2, 1. I mean 2. A 4, 2. I keep it 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? But what if we took the 4, the 3, and the 2 from the minor third? Let's see how that sounds. You wouldn't think it would work, but let's see how it sounds. Okay, here we go now. Here we go. So we got let's see. What is the 4 of this? We got so let's keep it major. 7. All right, so here's in context. Here's the regular way. Now I'm finna change it. Okay, now we're gonna go with and we're gonna borrow from the minor third. Here it is. What was it? It was right here. It still works. I wish I had a track. We could play along with a track. Borrowing from that minor third is everything. I'm trying to tell you. Oh,